Hi everybody. It is day 2 of our program, and although I hadn't planned on doing this video right now for you between clients today, I am going to share something. I am probably the poster child for sugar addiction, and here it is, day 2 in the program, and guess who's having a moment? So I was standing in front of the refrigerator, and that didn't look good, and that didn't look good. And I need to have something to eat between clients today. And I'm starting to do I could cheat, and we'll talk about that. Or my brain went into, I need sugar. That's what I need. Now, we all know that there is a physical connection to addictions as well as a mental. So what I did was I opened up my fruit and vegetable drawer, and I made a little kind of a fruit salad. And I'm going to see if I can kind of move the camera so I can show you what's in that fruit salad. There's 4 strawberries, there is 4 or 5 raspberries, and there is a few blueberries. So yay for me that I happen to have those in the house, and I guarantee you that if you will keep fruits and vegetables in your house, you actually can satisfy those cravings that you might have with these fruits and vegetables. And we'll talk more about this through the program. They have such amazing health benefits and healing benefits, and it is worth our time and worth our effort to purchase the raw, fresh fruits and vegetables, have them on hand, and eat them before they go bad. So my little treat for myself, and we'll talk about the use of that word as well. I don't think that's the best word to use, but today it's what it is. I'm treating myself to a little bit of sugar. Natural sugar. It will be easily digested, and it will be a health benefit for me, and it will actually satisfy that little 2-inch by 4-inch thing sitting in here that seems to guide so much of what we eat. So just thought I would share with you. I was having a moment, and my choice is strawberries, blueberries, and a little bit of raspberries. And then I'll go drink some more water, and by golly, get through this day with all good, healthy choices. And I hope you are too. Remember to overhydrate and